i-entrada. And then we put our ground beef. Cook it until golden brown. Then we're gonna put our shallots or onion. Then we're gonna put our tomatoes, chopped tomatoes. And then our chopped cilantro. Okay. But then we have to put our paprika. We're gonna put some paprika for a little more red color. And then we're gonna put our ground black pepper. It's the garlic salt. Garlic salt. Let it simmer and reduce the water. So now it's like this, but I have to put a little bit of sour cream in it. Probably this one, okay? So now it's cooked, we just put our macaroni. So you can eat it like this, but I'm gonna bake it in the oven. So I put in a Pyrex dish, then we have to bake them. So now we're gonna make a bechamel sauce. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of flour. I'm gonna put some. So it's like this. I'm gonna put 1 egg. We have to mix it properly. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of shredded cheese. It's supposed to be mozzarella, but I don't have mozzarella, so I'm gonna put that one. But it's available. the fry. And now we have to put on top the macaroni. This one, our sauce. Just pour it like this. It's too small, I guess. A little. Yeah, that's fine. So let's just spread a little bit the sauce. And now I'm gonna put some cheese on top. And now we're gonna put in the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. Okay, so look at that.